Shemania na Juliet Mpalia na Westlas Juma kuuma kaunti ya Bungoma. Ere mari Arutwo University ya Garissa no thutha wa cukuru ucio gutharikirwo magithamirio University ya Moi mena mwihoko ati nimekurikiria mathomo mao. No riu kurikia kwa mathomo kuri ono kiroto tu.
For lack of school fees, I decided to defer because I was in the second year, and I decided to defer because there was no help.
Right now I'm at home. I don't know my future because of the lack of school fees.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa Arutwo University ya Moi, gukiringithanio fithi ya university ici ciere, marihi ma University ya Moi mari iguru na nikio aingi matiganirie mathomo.
10 kati yao hawakuweza kurejea shuleni kwa sababu hawakuwa na pesa. Wakija hapa Moi University na karo yetu ya privately sponsored university iko juu, basi wengine wakasema hiyo iko juu hatuwezi.
Na ona thutha wa arutwo aya kwerirwo uteithio kuuma kuri thirikari, ciraniro ici citigana gukinyanira.
We have never seen any response from the government, either from the county government or the national government.
Kwa ihinda riri arutwo aya gutire na kamweneni marona mbere yao, na riu kioneki gia kurikia mathomo mao no mwihoko ati kuri na mundu wa wendi mwega uriuma na njira makwamure haria mahatite.
I do pray that one day, one time, somebody somewhere will come and assist me and help me so that I may finish my degree and continue with my studies so that I may have a bright future.
I don't know when I will go back. I'm doing nothing, and I pray to my God, and more specifically I pray for the government, from the government of the Kenya, to help us, to help me in particular, so that I can continue with my degree.
Makiria ma arutwo 600 nio mathamiire University ya Moi kurumirira tharikira ya Al-Shabaab University ya Garissa mwaka-ini wa 2015. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Titagwo Gathoni, Wajihia.